Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm finna hit you right in the face with some content. And today we got an install going on. That's all we got going on today is an install. So what we about to get into, I'm finna put a Wickerbill on this car right here. It's not made for this car. It's for the 15 to 23 track pack Mustang, GT350, S550, GT, whatever. It's for that. Finna be some custom type shit going on because they don't make a Wickerbill for the GT500 wing. So I'm finna show y'all what we got going on. We gonna run the northern tool to get this rivet tool, and we gonna come back and we gonna fuck some shit up. For the most part, for the people who don't know, the Wickerbill is going to go like right up here. And I don't have my camera stand. I don't have nobody to hold the camera for me. So I'm gonna take this off if I can get it without scratching up my car. And it's going to go somewhat like this. Just gotta get it lined up on both sides. Hope it look good, you know. But what I'm about to do is we're gonna run the northern tool. We're gonna get this rivet tool, drill up in the spoiler. Hopefully I don't crack it. Hopefully I don't mess it up. And I'll be back when we get the northern tool, man. All right, so we finally made it to the northern tool. Put my phone up as I walk in, but I did the online pickup. But I'm gonna walk around the store to see what else I can find. I might need a tape measure or some shit. So right now we just walking around the store. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking for. Really nothing. I'm finna go to the front and get what I need so I can go back home. Heading back to the workhorse. Bought me a tire pressure monitor. Wait, talking all in the camera. I don't know if this shit gonna work or not. Gonna see though. I got some new tires coming. They be here tomorrow. Might do a video on that. Nobody want to see that. Oh yeah. Good little 40 piece. Need that. Got some mods coming for the truck too, man. It's gonna be pretty wild. Good looking work truck. So this is what you need. You can buy this on ZL1 addons.com, whatever. They have it. But this is what you need. They didn't have any in stock, so I ended up just coming to Northern Tool and buying this one. So what we about to do, we about to take the race truck back to the house. Okay, so we back to the house. I forgot to turn the camera on. Got me a mark right here in the middle. And we gonna hope for the best with it, man. I may have to drill this spoiler more than once. But I'm gonna just drill it once right now and hope it work out pretty good. If you're doing this install on your own, I advise you to take your time. But it is easy to mess up. I drilled this hole out, which is the middle hole, just to get like a mount up. So we can go drill the other holes and it won't be falling all over the place. It's nerve-wracking, man, I can't lie. So all I can say is take your time, be careful. So we got all the holes drilled out. These are the smaller holes for the screws only, and I'm gonna put one rivet here, and you're supposed to put 2 rivets there. I already drilled out this hole. Gonna be a rivet there. Got to get a threaded rivet too, which I have in the truck. I just haven't opened it. So we finna try to get this thing on. up going with the tinted style. I didn't want the blacked out. I felt like the tinted would look a little better. I watched Derek do it on his S550, and I think he's cross-threaded a bolt, a screw. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do the same. Like 100% sure. Okay, so we got everything wrapped up. This thing looking good, man. Looking super good if I can get it to focus. It's not made for this car, so it's not flush up in there. But overall, I'm happy with it. That wraps it up for this install. It's over with. I got it on. I showed you how to drill. I drilled into my trunk. Man, that was like heartbreaking because If you mess up, you got to drill again and again and again. And who knows? I mean, you never know what can happen. I didn't cross thread anything. Shout out to Derek. I watched his video on how to install this. He's cross threaded one. I didn't. So big professional. But turned out nice. I'm gonna drop a link for this exact Wickerbill for anybody wanting to do one on their GT500 wing. $131 I think on sale. And pretty much happy with the turnout. I'm happy with it. I'm out. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. Let me know what y'all think about the new edge, what y'all want to see from it, and we're gonna get it done. Shout out to S197 Joe. He won the battle like 2 weeks ago on my Instagram. Said I'd give him a shout out, so while I'm here, I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna drop the link to his Instagram in my bio and my description, and I'm gonna post a picture right here.